Helena and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already guessed by the title of this video, I'm doing another Guess haul today. I haven't done one in a while. Periodically I come through and I bring you a Guess haul. It is one of my favorite brands, and today I'm going to show you some of the things that I picked up kind of for the fall. Some stuff might be more summery, but you can transition it into fall. I probably would have bought the entire store if I would have stayed any longer, but I picked up just a few things that I'm so excited to share with you. Before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and join the family for hauls and motivation on being your best self. And yeah guys, let's get right to it. I'll go ahead and start off with the first piece that I knew I was gonna love when I tried it on, and that is this really cute jacket. Now this came with the pants. Unfortunately, the pants didn't really look that good on me, and it didn't really look that great with the set, but I fell in love with this top, and I think it'll be so cute with black leggings or even a pair of black jeans in the fall. And I love the bling, you guys. I feel like a lot of brands are putting bling on their clothing, on their shoes, on their accessories, and that's great for me because I've always loved bling, but they've definitely caught on with the trend and it's now trending. So I'm so excited because I've been doing it for my entire life. And yeah, I love the color black detail. I feel like this is such a sporty, it reminds me of a race car driver look. I love color black and black and white, and adding this gray ribbed material to it, it just did it for me. And you can adjust it here, so if you want to make it tighter on your waist, I love this so much, and I can't wait to show you guys what it looks like on. Guys, doesn't this just look the cutest? I am obsessed with how this fits. I love how the sleeves lay. You know how you feel like a piece is just made for you? That's how I feel about this top. And it's lightweight but warm at the same time. It's just perfect. Look at that, you guys. How cute is that? And then this is like the gray color. It's absolutely beautiful. Next up, I found these on sale actually, and they are these cute black jeans. I love the wash on these. I like that it's like a little bit of a bleached moment right in the center there. Now, it doesn't look as prominent in person, so it doesn't stand out as much in person. I feel like on camera, it looks like the bleach is very harsh, but in person, it actually looks really cute and flattering when you try it on. And also, like I said, they have the bling in the buttons right there. Absolutely obsessed with these. I have a pair of ripped jeans, but you know, you have a pair of jeans or an item of clothing and it just doesn't fit you right. That's how I feel about my black ripped jeans. So when I tried these on, I just had to have them, and the classic Guess logo there, you know, that's something I'm obsessed with. So really excited to wear these into the fall and winter. Even though I don't wear black that much, you always need a dark pair of pants to pair with certain things. These are the jeans. So I love the buttons on these. They fit really cute. I think you might be able to see better the coloring on them. Here's the back. Love the fit. They're just so cute. I like that I can wear these super high-waisted too, because if I want to wear a cropped top, these will be good. This next one is a summer accessory, and it is this little visor here. It's clear. I found this on clearance for like $11. I love this neon pink. This is one of my favorite colors. It says Guess Los Angeles on it. It gets fingerprints on it really quick, so I keep cleaning it, and I'm not going to try it on now. So actually, I will try it on for you guys. But this is what it looks like on. Super cute. You can adjust it if you want to make it tighter or looser. I love this little black detailing at the top. I put on this little top from Target that matches exactly with it, and I'm just obsessed, you guys. Like, look how cute. Like, how cute is this? Obsessed with the back. Like, how adorable. Guys, I'm so into this look. I didn't even know if I was gonna love it because of the shape of it, but now I'm like, oh my god, I love it so much. I also got this really cute bodysuit. You know that I love red, and this reminded me of Baywatch, to be honest. And I have a lot of red pieces from Guess. Of course, red, white, and black is their logo color, so they have a lot of this color, but I just had to get it because look how cute it is, you guys. And it's super comfortable. The strap at the bottom adjusts at 3 different lengths, So depending on your height, I love that because I am taller, but I do have to buy smaller sizes. So this helps me out a lot. And I don't know, I just love it. I think it's so cute and I can't wait for you guys to see what it looks like. All right, you guys. Everything I had, I am obsessed with today. At least I have something to wear though. I might actually end up wearing this because it's just so cute and it's exactly the vibe I thought it was gonna be. It's like a little Baywatch vibe. What do you guys think of this top? Here's the back, a little low back action there, and yeah, I just love it. This next piece I wanted to pick up because I really liked the color combo. I've been loving chocolate brown. I've probably talked about this in previous videos, but I was looking for the perfect chocolate brown top and I still haven't found a long sleeve one that I really like the perfect chocolate brown color, but I'm definitely gonna find it this fall because I feel like it is the color of this season. I'm just seeing brown everywhere right now, which it's always been a fall color, but you don't find it as much as you do now. So that's why I think brown is really gonna be popular this fall. And this is just so cute, you guys. I love the color combo. Here is this white and brown top. I like this one too. It just gives a different vibe for a different day. And I love it with these jeans too. Okay, I have 2 more pieces and I'm definitely saving the best for last because I am absolutely obsessed. I adore the last thing I'm gonna show you, but the second to last thing I bought is a red visor. I love this color. And I actually don't have any visors, but I think they're really cute to wear with braids or a ponytail when you're working out and you want the sun out of your face, but you don't want your head to get too hot. I think this is adorable. I'm gonna try it on for you guys. Yeah, I love red and white. I think it's so cute. But yeah, here's what it looks like when you put it on. Of course, I have to adjust it to make it look right, but yeah, that's kind of the basics of it. Isn't it cute, you guys? I love it. I just paired it with, these are actually also from Guess. This is just a top. I don't remember where I got this, probably an online website somewhere, but these are Guess shorts that I got last year or last time I went shopping. I don't remember. I buy so much stuff, I don't remember when I get it. But I love this little visor. It's so cute. I feel so sporty and it actually looks good with this hairdo, so I kind of feel like going out like this today. All right, hopefully my hair doesn't look too crazy from trying on those visors, but you guys, when I show you this next piece, it's so cute. Okay, I'm just gonna show you. So I got this little newspaper top with this girl on it in red lipstick. I am obsessed with this. It's a satiny material and also it looks white, but it's more of a grayish white. I think to make it look more like a newspaper because they do have that inky, like smudged ink feel or look to them. But I will tell you, I didn't see this top until I got in line. And the people probably thought I was crazy because I kept getting out of line to see other stuff that they had. And the girl behind me had this top and I was like, where did you find that? And I was like, oh great, and I have to get out of line and go look for this top because I was not gonna go home without it. I feel like this is such a unique piece. I love having unique pieces in my closet, just things that you wouldn't normally see or wear. And this is one of those things. It's so classy and beautiful. It says Guess Los Angeles all over it. I love this so much. I can't wait to pair it with a pair of leather leggings and a black top and just tie it up maybe with a red bag or red shoes. I haven't decided yet, but guys, come on. Isn't this the most gorgeous thing you've ever seen? I just can't tell you how obsessed I am with this. I changed my mind with my vision for this top. I went with these red pants that I actually bought from Fashion Nova last year and I still have not worn them. But now I have the perfect thing to wear them with this fall. I think this looks so good. I am obsessed with this, you guys. It's so beautiful. I don't normally wear stuff like this, but I love it. Look at that. It's so classy and pretty. Oh, you guys. Okay guys, so that's all I have for you for my Guess haul today. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. You know I always love doing Guess hauls and showing you guys what's out there when I go shopping. Make sure you watch my vlog too because I have some footage of things that were actually in the store too. I did some filming while I was in there so you can check out more of the things that they have. Don't forget to like the video to let YouTube know that you want to see more of my content. Join the family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.